Friendly and curious tone. Can your thoughts really shape your reality? Can your mind actually heal your body or attract wealth? Well, according to Dr. Joseph Murphy, the answer is a big yes. Welcome to the channel. In this video, we'll explore the life-changing ideas from the book, The Power of Your Subconscious Mind, a timeless classic that reveals how to reprogram your thoughts and create the life you desire. Let's dive into the subconscious mind and learn how to unlock its full potential. Open book. About the book and author. Dr. Joseph Murphy was a spiritual teacher, writer, and philosopher who blended science, psychology, and religion to explain how the mind works. This book, published in 1963, remains one of the most widely read self-help books of all time because the truth it shares is simple but profound. Your subconscious mind is always listening, and it's shaping your reality. 1. What is the subconscious mind? The subconscious doesn't know fact from fiction. It simply obeys the instructions it receives. White heavy checkmark example from the book. A man repeatedly said to himself, "I would give anything to get rid of this terrible headache, even my right arm." Soon after, he injured his right arm in an accident, and his headache mysteriously vanished. Moral: your subconscious takes your words literally, so choose them wisely. Thought balloon. 2. Key idea 1. Thoughts become reality. What you feed your subconscious, you eventually experience in your life. White heavy checkmark example from the book. A salesman who kept failing believed he was a loser. He began affirming daily, "I am a successful salesman. I attract great clients. I close deals easily." Within weeks, his performance and confidence skyrocketed, and he became top in his company. The change wasn't external, it started inside. Speaking head. 3. Key idea 2. Affirmations and visualization. Dr. Murphy emphasizes using affirmations before sleep or in deep relaxation. White heavy checkmark example from the book. A young woman wanted a promotion, but she feared being overlooked. Murphy told her to repeat, "Success and promotion are mine. I radiate confidence. My work is appreciated." She visualized herself in the new position. A week later, a senior person resigned and she was promoted unexpectedly. Believe before you see it. 4. Key idea 3. Healing through the mind. Your subconscious has the power to direct healing when you remove fear and install faith. White heavy checkmark example from the book. A woman had a serious skin condition that doctors couldn't treat effectively. Murphy advised her to relax deeply each night and affirm, "Every cell of my body is now being made whole and perfect. I am calm. I am healing." In just 3 weeks, her skin cleared completely without medication. When the mind believes, the body follows. 5. Actionable life lessons with examples. Here are some actionable insights with how you can apply them in real life. White heavy checkmark. Be aware of your self-talk. Instead of saying, "I always forget," say, "My mind is sharp and focused." White heavy checkmark. Start your day with affirmations. Just 5 minutes of saying, "Today is filled with success and good news," can set your subconscious tone. White heavy checkmark. Use sleep time wisely. Repeat your goals right before sleep. This is when your subconscious is most open. White heavy checkmark. Visualize in detail. Want a new job? Imagine walking into that office, shaking hands, smiling with emotion. Speaking head. Final thoughts and call to action. Your mind is the most powerful tool you'll ever have, and you're using it every second, whether you realize it or not. Books like The Power of Your Subconscious Mind are more than just information. They're instruction manuals for life. If this video opened your mind even 1%, hit that like button. Speech balloon comment below. What's one thought you want to reprogram today? And don't forget to subscribe for more book summaries, life lessons, and mindset content every single week. Uplifting tone. Thanks for watching. Now go and think your way to a better life.